Chanel just released their makeup collection for 2023, and I have a full review for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys are here for Chanel's new holiday collection. So I'm just gonna get right into today's video. I don't think this needs an introduction at all. We all always wait for Chanel's holiday releases, and here they are. All right, so this year they did come out with eyeshadows, highlighters, some lipsticks, and I have all the goods here for you. So first off, let's get into the eyeshadow palette. Now, this one, even though it might look like it's unique, something new, it really isn't. Chanel has released palettes like this in the past, but they just haven't in a while. And here it is. We have the gold CC that we are used to every year for holiday collections. And here it is. The shades are actually something that we've seen before, nothing unique at all. I think even when I saw pictures of this, I kind of was disappointed just because Chanel has been releasing some really unique collections lately. And then we have the holiday collection. So we are kind of going back to basics. I don't think anyone's going to be mad at this collection. I do think it is still very beautiful. Do you have these shades in your collection? Absolutely, especially if you love Chanel. I believe about 3 years ago, they came out with singles that look very much similar to these shades. I will do comparisons as well of those, but these shades are nice. They're gold toned, kind of earthy toned, and all the glitters and the glam that we love to wear during the holiday season, you will definitely get out of this palette. Next we have a highlighter, and this is the Duo Lumiere Illuminating Powder Duo. And this is beautiful. It's really gorgeous. It comes with a brush that I never use, but I guess handy for travel. All right, and then we have the highlighter. Again, the gold CC logo. And this highlighter is gorgeous. Chanel makes beautiful highlighters. I love the embossment on all of these. I will have close-ups for everything. It's just stunning. I love the tones. These shades are honestly gorgeous. Kind of that rose gold tone with the beautiful white kind of shimmer. It's just stunning. Chanel also did release some lipsticks as part of this collection. I did not purchase any of them because I just purchased the 31 Le Rouge lipsticks, and I have been obsessed with the formula, and really honestly nothing else can compare to that. For those of you that love Chanel nail polishes, they also did release 3 different nail polishes. One of them is white silk, the other is in shade tuxedo, which does look pretty, and the other is a nice black, which is called sequins. So all 3 shades are pretty, but I also did pass up on those. Before we get into the swatches and try on of the collection, I'm just going to show you what additional goodies I got with my purchase. I don't know if you guys enjoy watching those. Let me know in the comment below, and next time I'll either continue to do this or I'll just go ahead and skip this all together. I just zoomed you guys in a little bit, but my SA did add a little cute Chanel number 5. This I feel that they do every year. I feel like I have a couple of these, but I do like to collect them. It looks like so, and it comes in a very cute box. And inside we have the number 5 miniature perfume. So cute. Then we have some skincare. This is the Sublimage. Always love receiving these. This one is the La Lotion Supreme. And then I have the eye cream as well. And then I have this cute Camilla flower. I think this is a bracelet that you spray with perfume, and it kind of keeps a scent. Very cute. I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette. Now, this eyeshadow palette is beautiful. This collection really is going back to basics. It's just an effortless type of palette, something that is going to look stunning for any kind of holiday looks. Really easy to use. The shades are nothing that's unexpected. Just typical Chanel type of shades. They really are stunning, and I do love the embossment. They have kind of a sequin type of look with little CC logo on there. It's just really cute and something that I think that any Chanel lover would appreciate. I do want to create a smoky type of glam look using this palette. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go into the shade right here. And there is a lot of shimmer in this collection. After all, it is a holiday palette. Ooh, this is pretty. This isn't really a shade that I would normally use as a crease shade, but it still is very beautiful. You can apply this all over your lid as well, and I imagine it would look really stunning. Next, I want to go into this gorgeous shade here. I think this shade is probably going to be my favorite in this whole pan. And I just want to add this onto my outer corner. I love that this has a brassy type of feel to it. I just imagine with a nice dress, this palette is going to be stunning. I'm going to use the brush that came with the palette and go back into that shade. And I just want to kind of drag it right underneath. I do like the brush that comes with the palette. I think it is so soft and it really blends the eyeshadow very nicely. But this looks so pretty. I really am loving this. Go into this gold shade and just brighten up my inner corner. This is really pretty. Here's the look so far. Honestly, I would just wear it like this, apply some mascara, maybe a winged liner, or even just keep it the way it is with just some mascara, add a lipstick, and we're good to go. But I do want to use that black shade, so I'm going to use that black shade as a liner. Again, I'm going to use the brush that came with the palette and just use the tip of it. Kind of drag it onto the outer corner to create that smoky feel, and then wing it, kind of wing it out. And there's the black. I just love that smoky feel. This palette kind of gives me that metal type of brassy tones. I love it. I feel like any lipstick color would go with this. It really looks stunning, so pretty, and it does remind me of a couple of years back, Chanel did release a holiday collection with little mini singles. I have them right here, but this really reminds me so much of these, but this time they have them all in one pan. This is one shade out of them. Does this not look similar? I guess the new palette has more shimmer in it than these do, but they do have kind of that brassy type of look to them. I don't know if you guys have these or purchased these. I think these were 3 years ago. They were a holiday collection, but they do remind me a lot of this palette. You can certainly use this palette and create a very intense look. I personally like more of an in-between type of look. It really depends on what you're wearing. I do like more of a natural type of makeup, but I think that this color combo is so pretty. Now I do have to try the shimmer. This is quite chunky actually. It's a very glittery, and I think I'm going to apply this kind of right in the middle. Really pretty. Chanel just creates beautiful highlight tones. Even though the glitter in this is quite chunky, it is very stunning. It really pulls that look together, gives that glow effect. so pretty. You really can't go wrong with this palette. It is stunning. Right. For mascara today, I am going to apply the Noir Allure, and this is in just shade Noir, my favorite go-to black shade. Here is the finished eye look. I think it looks absolutely stunning, just very bright and holiday-like. Still has that smoky feel to it. Looks really beautiful. Because this has a frosted type of look, I just feel like a white liner in my waterline would look so pretty. So I'm just using this white liner by Chanel. I think just because of how smoky this look is, adding a white liner is further going to brighten and open up the eyes. As you can see, the difference really does look good. There's the white liner. I think it did open up the eyes a little bit more. I think that when you do a smoky type of eye, it tends to make your eyes look smaller just because of all of the darker tones. Just add a white liner and you'll see it really makes your eyes pop. Now for the highlighter. Now I'm kind of sad that they didn't release a blush with the holiday collection. I don't believe they do ever release a blush during the holiday season. Usually it's always a highlighter. I wish they did something different this year and released a very nice blush. I really would have loved that. But this highlighter does look stunning. Again, the embossment, so nice. Sequins look very pretty. A nice rose gold tone. This is a swatch of the highlighter. Just really nice and glowy. I never like to use these, but let's give it a go. Let's just go ahead and try it with the brush that it comes with. I'm going to mix both shades together and then let's add it to, ooh, okay. All right, so this is definitely glowy. You need to be very careful. It does pick up quite a bit. So maybe this brush isn't too bad after all. All right, so I'm just blending it in. So pretty. Love that rose gold tone. Really nice. I'm just going to add a little bit on the tip of my nose. And then my Cupid's bow. Such a nice highlighter. Again, Chanel really makes great highlighters. I think that this would also be beautiful on top of blush as well. I think it would look really stunning. I don't have any blush on today, just my regular bronzer. I wanted to try out this highlighter, but this is really pretty. I really like this. I'm going to add some lipstick and I am going to do a red lip. I think it would go very nicely with this look. Of course, we're going to use a 31 Le Rouge. I am going to use the shade 31 Le Rouge in number 5. I think this would be a very pretty red lip. And here is the finished look using Chanel's new holiday collection for 2023. What do you guys think? I definitely do think that they are easy type of colors to work with. Just really nice smoky type of look. You can create a simple eye look or go full on glam, and I think this looks really pretty and it definitely looks so good with a red lipstick. I do really love this eyeshadow palette. I think it is really perfect for the holiday season. I love the fact that it has those brassy type of sultry colors. I think it's stunning on the eyes and you can really create a beautiful smoky look with this, or you can use kind of this shade right over here and just put that all over as a wash of color. If you want to create that, you know, simple type of look, you can certainly do that with this eyeshadow palette. These shades are fairly pigmented. You can definitely tone them down. This really nice glitter shade really creates that nice pop of color. The glitter in this highlight shade is quite chunky, so you definitely need to have a light hand when you use it. But otherwise, I think this palette is stunning and I think it is a must-have this holiday season. Now for the highlighter, I do think it is very beautiful. I do love that rose gold shade. It is so pretty. I think, again, this will go with a lot of different skin tones. Really, this whole collection is really catered for everybody. I think that everybody will appreciate it. I think that Chanel really chose shades that everybody will love. Really, they have been going quite unique this whole entire year. I do like that subtlety that this whole entire collection really is going for. Now for what Chanel is going to be releasing this holiday season. So it does not stop here with this collection. Now, Chanel is going to release the little bags that they release every single year that everybody loves, and they always sell out pretty quickly. So this year, instead of the red and gold combo, it looks like they have 3 blue bags and they have a white kind of with gold glitter bag as well. So it looks like they're going to have 3 blue bags. One of them is going to have a mascara, and it looks like an eyeliner. The other is a mascara, and it looks like a Rouge Allure lipstick, just a regular red lipstick. And then of course the very highly in demand bag that has the 3 lip gloss combo. I actually haven't purchased this at all in the past 2 years that they've been coming out with them. So I think I might get the lip gloss bag this year. I don't have any of the Chanel lip glosses. To my surprise, I really actually don't own any of them. I did have them kind of years back, and I remember loving them, so I don't know why I don't purchase them. So I think I might be purchasing that bag this year. For the jumbo highlighters, that if you are a Chanel fan, I think you have seen these photos. They were released, I believe, in China earlier this year. They are stunning. Each one has a different symbol on them. There's 3 different highlight shades, and I can confirm that these are coming to the US. So, and I believe that my boutique does have them right now. So I will probably be purchasing these. They are stunning. There's a rose gold, a gold, and a white shimmer highlight as well. And you can choose any symbol that you like from the Chanel embossments. They are so pretty, and I'm so glad that we're getting them here. Looks like Chanel has reformulated their N number 19 as well as their Cristal perfume. I have not smelled either one of these. I'm kind of intrigued by the Cristal. Have you guys smelled that fragrance? If you have, leave me a comment below and let me know if it is a nice fragrance. I do love Chanel fragrances. Chanel Mademoiselle will always be my all-time favorite, but I am intrigued by both of these. We have limited edition number 5 body oil. I believe that Chanel is going to have sets of these with the number 5 perfume as well as the body oil, and they're also going to be releasing the Mademoiselle perfume and body oil combo. So if anything, I will most likely get the Mademoiselle one. I do know that I did purchase the body oil from last year. That one does have a shimmer in it. These ones this year, it looks like they're just straight up body oils without any shimmers. So I do really love these. I don't have the number 5 one in a body oil, so I don't know, maybe. And that is it for my Chanel Holiday 2023 collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. There certainly is more to come. I will be purchasing the new highlights, and I don't know, maybe some other goods from Chanel. You know, I can never resist Chanel. Chanel is one of my all-time go-to makeup brand. I love Chanel, and yeah, there's more coming from other brands as well. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, appreciate all of the likes, comments that you guys send me. I read everything and I try to reply to everybody. So be sure to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.